I'm going to show you how to find the Downloads folder on your Google Pixel phone. Let's say I'm browsing the internet and I download something, like this PDF file I'm looking at. If you're downloading something on Chrome, the quick and easy way to view your downloads is to tap that Open button once your download finishes. Or if you want to find something you downloaded earlier, you can tap the three dots in the top right corner and then choose Downloads to access your download history. Here, I could tap to view any file I've downloaded. So that's how you do that in Chrome, but you can also access this all in your file manager. First, we'll open the Files app, which, as the name suggests, holds all your files. If you've recently downloaded something, you'll usually see those files on the very top, under the Recents category. You can also access the Downloads folder right here, and this will show all your downloads, whether they're recent or older. You can scroll the list and tap any file to open it. And of course, if you want to open one of these files in a separate app, you can use the Share button to send the file to another app or to another device. It's also worth noting that depending on how and where you download files from, there are some cases where they don't go to the Downloads folder. If you scroll all the way down in the Files app, you can access the top level of your internal storage, and there you see the full folder structure that's stored on your phone. Some apps like to save files in the Documents folder, for example, or camera and photo-related files will often be in the DCIM folder. So if you can't find your files in the Downloads folder, take a look at the internal storage and check all the other folders on your phone. And that's how you find your downloads. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.